Hi everyone, Gaga Joy's Cooking. I'm glad you're here today on this sunshiny day. Today we're going to do a cauliflower, broccoli, cashew salad. And so it's a very easy salad. I've got to have easy salad tonight. So that's where we are at, right in the middle of cauliflower and broccoli. I'm just going to cut the stems off. Real good. And if you're like us, you're a cauliflower and broccoli person, people who like this always. I still like to wash my cauliflower for about a half an hour in hot water. I may get over that sometime, but with everything that's happened the last 2 years, I still got it going. Let's see, my water's blocked. And I only leave it in there about a minute, and then take it out, put it in my ice water, and then at least I know it's clean. That just makes me feel better. So I'll give it a minute. You can't get too clean, that's for sure. And you know, vegetables go through a whole lot before they get to your table. Everybody in the world probably touches them, or a big part of the world. Things that you got a covering on, like an onion, I'm not worried about. And our cauliflower. I think the reason this salad is so pretty is the cashews. Lady in our church, a real sweet lady, years ago, brought this to church, and it's been one of my go-tos ever since. You can learn a whole lot when you go to meetings at church. Okay, let's jump it over here. Okay. Let's sit there for a second. Transfer it over here. This, I usually make it a head. That's one reason I like this. You can make this a head and let it set for a few hours before you need it. And that way it soaks up all the good dressing and everything. Well, I got a cauliflower out. My broccoli out, put my cauliflower in. This part will soon be over. It's no problem, it's just a little messy. But I'm used to messes. I'm the biggest, make more messes than anybody I know. Or so I've been told. Which you like better, cauliflower or broccoli? I think we guys said. Okay. Cauliflower's done. And our broccoli's done. Now, the cauliflower minute. And we'll be all ready for the dressing. Now, it's a very simple dressing. My daughter doesn't like onions, mayonnaise, so I always make ours a little bit separate from hers and put hers off to the side. If you don't like it, you don't like it. And all these years we're sort of used to it. I put a little Italian dressing in my mayonnaise to cool it down, or to thin it, just a little bit. And I put a half a package of Italian dressing, the little, and the packages in there. That makes it look real good. Okay, let's get our cauliflower out. Let's get that mixed up. While it's cooling down a minute. Might have to make 2 batches of it. I think I'm going to have a little bit more mayonnaise. I'm going to go with 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. And a head of broccoli. And a head of cauliflower. I think I'll have more cauliflower than I did broccoli, but that's the way the ball bounces, I guess. See how pretty it is? I'm not going to put any salt in it because the Italian dressing has salt in it, and it just may be too much. See how much pretty it's going to be with the purple onions? Let's see if I have any water in the bottom. Okay. I leave the onions in rings. I think it's pretty that way. And also, if you don't like a lot of onions, it's very easy to pick out when you do it that way. It just makes a prettier salad, I think. I guess I better get my daughters out of there. Broccoli. Cauliflower. And I put my cashews on. I don't put my cashews on until I get it out to serve, because if you don't, they just become soggy. Yeah, you wouldn't think that would, but it does. So I do wait until I take it out of the refrigerator and get ready to serve it to add my cashews. And if you're like me, after you add your cashews, you hide them, because leaving cashews out means you're not going to have them the next day. And I do like to add cashews to certain things. And this is it. Put some in there. I'll toss it again also when I take it out, because I think when it sets for a while, so just stirring it up a little bit makes it better. Well, I have a little mess on my counter, as you see, but look how pretty the salad is. Isn't it pretty? And the time you put a handful of cashews on it, I'll put a few on it anyway. It will be beautiful. Well, I hope you see it didn't take no time to make this. And you don't have to put it in hot water unless you're a little bit germophobic like I still am. But yeah, it's a pretty salad. And I'll see you after the birthday party.